Okay, so this is the daylight. So you can see that this is my cassette collection. This one is my Iowa ADF 800. This is the last real deck made by Iowa. They have the 810, but this is the 800. This is a very good deck. Right here, I'm changing the belts on this one, so that's why I got it right there. Yeah. And then I'm gonna stuck it over here. You see, this is my Pioneer AD. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, CTF 1000. I'm sorry. This is my Onkyo, very good cassette deck, very nice sound, sweet sound. This is my Marantz 5020. My Sony KA1ESA. This one I bought it in '98, brand new. And I changed the belt, and I was able to make a test for you. This one has a very neutral sound. You know, it's not very bright. It's just very laid back sound, I would say. This is the NAD 6300. This is a very good deck. This is one of the best decks, cassette decks ever. And this is my 2-speed VICT3 cassette deck. This one records on 2 speeds, as you can see. Yeah, like a normal cassette speed, and then a faster speed. At a faster speed, it's a very outstanding player and recorder too. You know, the sound quality is outstanding. And this on this side, this is the first cassette deck I bought in 1996, 97, something like that. At the end of '96, I think I bought this one. This one sounds very good. This is the only double deck player I have, because I don't like double decks. You know, I think single decks in one direction are much better. And yeah, but this one, you know, the sound quality is very good, and I like this one because you know, I bought this cassette deck in '96, you know, and I checked the belts, and they look like almost like new, you know. So I never changed them, you know, since '96. So that we're talking about 22 years, you know. And look, everything was really well made before. This is my Akai GXM50. This sounds very good. I changed the belts on this one too. This is my Denon. This is the DRM 700A. This is one of the last great decks made by Denon too, you know. Very good, very neutral sound, just like the Sony ES over there. This one has a very neutral sound too, very nice sound too, you know. And this is my Nakamichi LX5. Yeah, this deck is very good too. It has the classical Nakamichi mechanism, you know, and it sounds really good, you know. This is my Yamaha KX 1200U. Yeah, it has a very good sound too, you know. But from all these decks over here on this side, I will keep the Nakamichi LX5 and the NAD as the best sounding ones, and the Onkyo too, you know. But at a second speed, at a fast speed, this deck really can match my best decks, you know, even the ones I have on the other side, you know. You can see the rest of my Sony. These are my equipment right here, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go and record another song for y'all from my Harman Kardon CD-491. Okay, so we're gonna make the test number 2 on this Harman Kardon CD-491. Okay, here we go. Harman wheel. Okay, we're gonna play another song, and the other one's very short. Okay, the tape is over. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, I just wanted to give you a little demonstration of the Harman Kardon CD-491. As you can see, the sound is very sweet, very clean, very detailed, gorgeous sound, very warm. I can play for hours and my ears never fatigue, you know. It's very nice deck. I think when they made a test back in 1987, it was the Harman Kardon CD-491, the Tandberg I think it was the 3014B, the Revox 215B, the Nakamichi Dragon, and the Onkyo Integra TA2090 that made the list of those 5 decks. You know, yeah, this is one of the best decks. If you have one of these, you don't have to. I mean, you don't have to feel envy for no deck. Trust me, this thing is outstanding. You know, the sound quality is a gorgeous, beautiful deck. I mean, this Nakamichi sounds very good too. You know, I'm gonna do a little test of this one too. This is a 2-head deck. This is the RX 303. You know, I had the RX 505 too, and my cousin did a little work for me, and he was in love with that deck. so I mean, because he charged me very cheap, I gave him the deck, because I compared the sound between the 303 and the RX 505, with the exception of the recording, because on the RX 505 it's a 3-head deck, so you can monitor the recording, you know. But this when in terms of sound quality, they were pretty even, you know. I mean, I would say the RX 505 was a 10, and then the RX 303 will be like a 9.5, 9.75, so very close. You know, I didn't really notice any difference, even though I play them over and over many times, you know, with the same tapes. So yeah, and they have a little bit of a I would say slightly brighter sound than the Harman Kardon, but these Nakamichis are they're pretty much ahead of the game from most day. I have 4 Nakamichis, you know. This one, my CR05 right there, my LX5 over there, and I have a cassette deck 1 too in my bedroom, you know. Okay, we're gonna conclude the test.